What's good, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. So today, guys, as you guys know, I unboxed the iPhone XR recently, and in part of any good care of any iPhone, you gotta make sure you get a good screen protector. I picked up this screen protector from Best Buy for only $12.50. It was a super good deal. It's made by this company called Insignia, and it'll be all linked down in the description. Let's go do this, guys. Alright, guys, the first thing we'll be doing will be unboxing the glass screen protector. Like I said before, this will be linked down in the description. I got it from Best Buy. Of course, I think you can get it from Amazon as well. So there we are, guys. We have the regular instructions. Right here we have the wet and dry wipes. This thing is actually really different. I've never seen this with a case protector before. This will actually go over your phone so you align it just perfectly. I think that's super cool. I've never seen anyone do that before at, this price. And inside here we have our iPhone XR screen protector. Here we go. I can pull it out of the package. It's packaged really well, and that is really thick glass. So this particular screen protector is a 9H. The highest is a 10. So yeah, this is a super good screen protector. Alright, guys, so now for the installation process. So it tells you to remove your case, which of course I just got my iPhone recently. I don't have a case yet. And then to use the wet and dry wipe to clean off your iPhone, due to the fact that there will always be fingerprints, little bits of dust on there. It says to start out with your wet wipe first. And now for the second part, dry wipe, which is number 2. They're both very clearly marked. Now we've added that piece on. The screen is crystal clear. We are now going to add on the glass. Here's the glass, guys, right here. Ooh, this is the kind of like the risky part of the entire thing. We have a film here. I don't want to get any dust on here, so we're gonna kind of pull it. We're gonna take it off using this pull tab. So this is the back. This is actually what you're gonna be sticking on. The sticker says it. It's very clear. This is what's gonna be going onto the back of the iPhone. You're now going to take this. For my opinion, they say to peel it off entirely. In my opinion, I'd peel it off kind of slowly. All right, so we're gonna peel this off, put this into here. It's actually super easy. The alignment tool makes it super easy. Now we just pull. Ooh, it's a little bit off the alignment. This is not good. Boom, I think we got it, guys. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to remove the alignment tool. We're going to check out the job we did. So far as I can go. Oh, there's a little air bubble. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little air bubble. I have this little handy gadget. It's not included, but this came with a IQ shield protector. And this will rub out any of the bubbles. We're going to have to lift up the screen protector, though. I don't like this. Alright, there we go. Alright, so pretty much you got to keep on applying pressure until the screen to all the sides get covered up. So like I said before, guys, this thing is from IQ Shield. It does not come with this kit. This is sold separately. And boom, guys, just like that, we have the brand new Insignia screen protector installed onto our brand new iPhone XR. If you guys want to do this, I have everything linked down in the description. This was super fun. I'll also try to link this. I think this came in a kit, so I'll link that entire kit. But yeah, this was super cool. I really like this screen protector. I think it works really well with this phone. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, peace.
Yeah.